guys, it's the YJCPA with another video, and today we're gonna go over how to change the differential fluid in my Jeep Wrangler YJ with a Ford 8.8 rear axle. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on changing the differential fluid. Quick shout out to Lubelocker for, I bought this, they didn't give it to me, but Lubelocker gasket. Reusable gasket. I think it's up to like 3 times. So it's my first time using it, so we're going to give it a try and see how it goes. Alright, I'm also using an 80-90 gear oil. You can also use, I think, 75-90. I don't think there's really much difference. So, yeah, I think you should be fine. But, let's get started. So, as you guys know, I've got the Ford 8.8 rear differential, or rear axle. The bolt size is a 1/2 inch. So, what we're going to do is we're going to loosen up some of these bolts down here and let it drain out. And then once it drains out, once the majority of it drains out, then we will, clean it up, change out the fluid, and put a new gasket on. Alright, so let's get started. That's a Grizzly locker, 513 gearing. It's brand spanking new, man. That wear pattern is perfect. Couldn't ask for anything better than that. Put the Lubelocker on and finish up the project. So I'm just gonna run a bolt through and kind of try and do this with one hand. Alright, follow along. a battery, but I'll just quickly show you how to put the differential fluid in. So right in the back of the Ford 88, so you can see that. There you go. You see that hole right there? Well, this came out of that hole. So just use an extension, 3/8, and then take it out. Make sure, you see all that? That's shavings. That's actually really good. It's not too bad. So just make sure you clean all that up before you put your differential fluid in. And I'd probably fill it up right till about, right till it starts to kind of come out of the hole. You don't want to overfill your differential, but you just want it to be enough to cover like a quarter to half of the ring gear. So, all right, I'm gonna go ahead and pour it in now, but that's how you do it, guys. So, there you go. All right, take it easy.